That will be your estimate.
Yeah.
About 90% of it. After today's assessment. Heavy the snow, lifting this gate.
This is New York. New York. Yeah, these are brand new. These are put up in bed. After bed.
Well, the poles are up.
Yeah. The pole, it does a bunch of poles.
Yeah. Richie. You have any? The Bushmarks. Yeah, the Bushmarks.
Before you reach the program.
Oh, you're not Prime Minister. See the big
Maternity.
I don't know if you want to.
So we walk around.
Yeah, walk around instead of through the wall.
Yeah, man. And that.
Sure, nothing at all happened to us in Kingston.
Nothing.
But I'm past.
I see that. I want to thank all of you for your service. I know Must have been a harrowing experience.
Very, very. The most terrifying experience in all my life, and I would not want to see it again.
But you don't report any loss of life.
Thank God. God has been good to us.
Not because of the scope. But obviously, the care that you have taken in protecting the patients would have been. I don't know if you have had an opportunity to see the rest of the song, but certainly you have heard.
Many of us don't know what is happening to our children, our parents, because we are here. We are here.
We just can't hear anything sometimes.
Exactly. I don't think none of us are competent enough to describe what happened. It is beyond imagining. We can't really imagine. At one point, you would think that you have some missiles just letting go in the glass. You just see things just going here, there, glass, boom. And in spite of everything, patients are there to take care of. Even after the storm, we have emergencies, using lanterns and flashlights. But God has been good to us.
So what we're doing now is the initial assessment of the damage. We have with us the acting Chief of Defense Staff and Brigadier Williams as well. And they are doing their assessment that will feed into ADPEM. Hopefully by tomorrow we will have cleared the routes in the Black River because they're all blocked now. There's no traffic that can come in ridiculous from outside. As I'm seeing, some of your transmission towers are down, so telecommunications will be affected. Of course, almost all of your electrical grid is down.
So this is the
No, that's what we're trying to do now. We're doing an assessment to see where we need to put what equipment to move. I know it's rough. I know it's rough for me, but yeah, I have to hold it out now. All right? I have to just hold it out. By tomorrow, however, roads will be open. That's what we're working on. That is something that we could.
Yeah, I can talk to the road bus service once you can get in people definitely.
Yeah. So you're not from here. Where are you from? Oh, yeah, oh no, but definitely within the parish, yes, we can provide transportation. Yeah. All right.
Yeah,
yes, within the parish, we can do that. All right.
Can run some routes. Can't remember the buses won't be.
So